Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your YouTube shorts directly on Instagram stories and drive more views to your channel. Here's the easiest way to do it. The first step is to copy the YouTube shorts link, and to do that, just open the YouTube app. After that, go to the shorts section right here and click on it and find the shorts you want to upload. And after that, click on the share button right here in the bottom right corner. Click on the share button. After that, tap on the copy link. Now once you copy the link, go to your Instagram app by clicking on Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now after that, click on the add story. Click on your story. You can take a photo. You can choose a photo, video, or background for your shorts. I'm just gonna create a random picture right here. And after that, add the YouTube Shorts link. You can add that by tapping the sticker icon at the top of the screen that says the double A's right here. And then, let's see here. Let's try again. Hold your finger on the screen and then click on pass, and just like that you're copied your YouTube short link in your story. After that, tap share to your story and select your audience, and then click on sure to finalize it, and encourage viewers to tap the link to watch the short by writing a message here so they can watch the short on YouTube. Make sure you also use a catchy caption like "Watch my latest short" by tapping the link, and GIFs, stickers, and hashtags to make the story more engaging, and post at peak times when your audience is more active. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you add a YouTube Shorts link in Instagram story. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.